So do you?
Yeah, it's up to you. Whichever side you want to start.
It's less wires on the high voltage side.
There it is. You want to get rid? Just get rid of those.
Get them out of the way right quick.
Right. So that's red, and then red in the common is white. So red and white together with this one. Correct.
Kyle, you want to help them?
So kind of red and white together.
Those two can't go together. That's a short circuit. That's L1 and L2. So this is just like having a plug and plugging this into the wall. So you can't put these two together. These are two different lines. This is L1. This is L2. This is L1. This is L2.
Yeah.
This is L1. This is L2. So I just told you where they go. That's 24. That's 24 volts. Let's work on high voltage. L1, L2. L1, L2.
Yeah. Take these together.
L1,
and
L2.
and find your L1 coming from on the 240, the 208.
Here you go.
So L1. Is the red one from here L1?
It don't matter which side.
It's you because there's no polarity, so you pick whichever one.
L1.
I'll get this one for L1.
Since it's long enough, yeah.
So this is L1.
Okay, since you already did L1, then let's work on L2.
So
I'll show the black.
Yeah, black. That side.
208.
That side.
Red.
The red one. Hello, what is the comment?
You're gonna need more blue wire nuts because the yellow one is not gonna work on the thermostat wire. So.